Hello students, in today's session we will be trying to understand the mode of a given set of data set. Now in this particular data set you can see that there is a range of marks, that is the marks is between 0 to 20, 20 to 40 and so on, and you have the frequency. So this could be the frequency. So frequency is given as 7, 10, 12, 6 and 4. Now when a question like this is given and you have to given the mode, to understand the mode, you know that mode is the highest frequency. Mode is the data set with highest frequency. Okay, now in this particular given data set, which is the class which has highest frequency? Of course this is here. So this is called the model class. Now be very careful with this. So this is going to be the data set which is going to be very useful for us. Okay, so we have a predefined formula here. Now our major intention is to understand the different denotations in this particular formula. So the formula is given as mode is equal to L plus F minus FL whole divided by 2F minus FL minus FH into H. Now look at this particular class interval. Now what is the lower limit of this particular class interval? So the lower limit L, so this is L, so L is the lower limit. So lower limit of the class interval is 40 and the higher limit is 60. So we can understand that the mode is somewhere between 40 and 60. Fine. Now the next one is the FL, or rather we look into this F. F is the frequency of the model class. So this is the frequency of the model class, so this is F. And FL is the frequency of the lower class. So what is this? This is the model class, one but lower. This is the frequency of the lower class, means the one lower than this. So this is FL, frequency of the lower class. Now FH is the frequency of the higher class. Now look at this. This is the frequency of the one but higher class. So this is FH, frequency of higher class. Okay, now we have H as the class interval. So this is the class interval. Now what is the class interval? Now let us look into the class interval. Interval is equal to, now just imagine 40 to 60. So what is class interval? You just divide or try to understand what is the difference. 60 minus 40 is equal to 20. So H is equal to 20. So that is how we got all the different denotations. Now just apply to the formula. So mode is equal to L, where L is equal to 40. I will just write the formula once again. L plus F minus FL whole divided by 2F minus FL minus FH whole divided by whole into H is equal to L over here is 40 plus what is F? F given here is 12. This is F, 12 minus lower, that is 10, into 2F, 2 into 12 minus FL of lower class is 10 minus FH of higher class is 6 into H. H is 20. It's equal to 40 plus, do all this, you can understand it is 12 minus 10 is 2 whole divided by 24 minus 16 into 20. When you divide this, you get 40 plus 5 equal to 45. So mode is equal to 45. So I said like it will be between 40 and 60, and we got precisely that mode is equal to 45. So this is how you calculate the mode of a given set of data set for when the data set is given in this particular format. I hope you got it. Thank you very much.